Hello everyone. Let's deal with an important topic today, that is citizenship and why it was in news. At an event in December, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said there are a lot of challenges in providing dual citizenship to Indians settled abroad. According to the Constitution, the following four categories of persons became the citizens of India at its commencement, that is on 26 January 1950. A person who had his domicile in India and also fulfilled any one of the three conditions, if he was born in India, or if either of his parents was born in India, or if he has been ordinarily resident in India for 5 years immediately before the commencement of the Constitution, became a citizen of India. A person who migrated to India from Pakistan became an Indian citizen if he or either of his parents or any of his grandparents was born in undivided India and also fulfilled any one of the two conditions. In case he migrated to India before 19th July 1948, he had been ordinarily resident in India since the date of his migration, or in case he migrated to India on or after 19th July 1948, he had been registered as a citizen of India. But a person could be so registered only if he had been resident in India for 6 months preceding the date of his application for registration. A person who migrated to Pakistan from India after 1st March 1947 but later returned to India for resettlement could become an Indian citizen. For this, he had to be resident in India for 6 months preceding the date of his application for registration. A person who, or any of whose parents or grandparents, was born in undivided India but who is ordinarily residing outside India shall become an Indian citizen if he has been registered as a citizen of India by the diplomatic or consular representative of India in the country of his residence, whether before or after the commencement of the Constitution. Thus, this provision covers the overseas Indians who may want to acquire Indian citizenship. Keep following our channel for more updates on current affairs.